So guys, welcome back to GeekGuild, and in this tutorial we will be learning to check whether the number is positive, negative, or zero. Okay, so in this tutorial we will be learning to check whether the number is positive, negative, or a zero. Okay, so we will be writing the code, and so let's get started. So, and for sure, if you want any codes or any videos, just hop into the description to get all the information. So let's start with the code, and we will be starting with the very thing that we need to write in the C programming. And so yes, int main, and then we need to take a number. Let's keep it num. It will be easy for us to get through with it. And now let's print something in the sense for the user to notify that yes, now you need to enter the number to be checked, right? So enter the number to check. Okay, now break the line, and then we need to just scanf, or I should say we need to take the input from the user. Scanf, as it is a integer value, we will be writing %d for that, and then we will write and num for storing the number in it. Now if a statement starts in here, so if a statement for every single program is almost same, and in this case as well, we will first write if num is greater than 0, right? If num is greater than 0, what will happen? Let's see what will happen. The thing that will happen is, it for sure it should be positive if the number is 0, right? So we will be printing the number is positive, right? Now if we go to the else part, what else can happen, right? The number can be negative, right? If the number is less than 0, what will happen? If the number is less than 0, what will happen? For sure it will be a negative number, right? The number is negative, right? Now there is a third case as well, where the number can neither be positive neither be negative. When will it happen? When the number is 0. So what we need to print when that is the case? Let's see. We need to print that the number is 0. The number is 0, right? Now done, guys, done. This is how we actually write. Now we need to return 0 as well. Return 0 for ending a C program. And yes, guys, this is how you write a code, or write code to check whether the number inputted by the user is negative, positive, or 0. So let's run it and check if the program's run perfectly fine or not. Program asks enter the number to check. So let's input 4. The number is positive. Yes, that is correct. The number is positive. Let's input something different. Let's input minus 56. The number is negative. Yes, the number is negative. Now let's try and check the third case as well. That will be 0. The number is 0. Yes, the program is working absolutely fine. So yes, guys, thank you for joining in, and love from GeekGuild.